Now the first construction is to divide a line segment of 7 centimeter length in the ratio 2:3. So you have to construct, first you will draw 7 centimeter long line segment and divide it in the ratio 2:3. So let us see the construction. First thing, draw a line segment of length 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. Now I will mark this line segment as AB. Now this line segment I have to divide in the ratio 2:3. That means I should find out a point on AB, and that point should divide the line segment into 2 parts on left side and 3 parts on right side. For that division, the first step what you have to do is draw a ray from A. Let us name it as AX. And the angle between AB and AX, that is angle BAX, should be an acute angle. And AX ray is drawn. Now on AX, you will mark equal line segments. How many line segments you have to mark? That depends on the ratio in which you have to divide the line segment. Here the ratio is 2:3. What is the total number then? 2 parts plus 3 parts equal to 5 parts. That means in total you should have 5 parts. And 5 parts of AB. Okay, to get 5 parts of AB, we will be doing the construction on AX. On AX, you have to mark 5 points at equal distance from each other. 5 you got by adding the ratio numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2:3 is the ratio you require. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So you have to mark 5 points on AX, and the points should be equidistant. And to do it in an easy method, you can take a compass, and you can take any radius on the compass, and using the compass you have to mark 5 points. This is the first point, and from here second point, third, fourth and fifth. See, it is not enough, so I can just extend this ray a little more and mark the 5th point. Okay, or I should have taken a smaller unit. That would have given me a better construction. Okay, now let us name it as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So I am renaming this point. A5 is this point. Now this last point, A5, 5th point, I have to join with B. Now the next construction is you have to divide this line segment in the ratio 2:3. So at the second point, 2 is the first number here. So at the second point, I have to draw a line parallel to A5B. A5B is this line segment joining the 5th point and B. Parallel to this, I will draw another line segment from A2. Now to draw a parallel line to a given line, if you make the angles equal using the property of parallel lines, corresponding angles of parallel lines are equal. If 2 parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the corresponding angles formed are equal. So what you will do is you will make a copy of this angle at A2 and draw a line segment. Now to make the copy of an angle, you have done in 6th standard, but I will just tell you once again. With this angle you are going to copy. So at A5, with any measurement on the compass, you have to draw an arc. With the same measurement from point A2, you will draw an arc with the same radius. You have not changed the radius. Now you should find out how much is the angle here. How much wide is this angle? The width of the angle you can measure using compass. You will get the width of this angle. And the same width you have to copy here. So the measurement should be very accurate. Otherwise you will not get a parallel line there. So this width I have to take very accurately, and the same I will mark here. Okay. Now from A2, from the second point I am going to draw a line segment passing through this point of intersection. And the line segment will meet AB at this point. Say this is C. Now C is the required point. C is a point on AB which divides line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. And how it is true that we will see in the justification of construction. So these are the steps of construction. What you did, the AB line segment is given, it is of 7 centimeter. So you made a line segment AB of 7 centimeter length. Then a ray AX was made. On AX you marked 5 points equidistant from each other. A1 equal to A1 A2 this length, and that is equal to A2 A3 this length, that is equal to A3 A4, the line segment A3 A4. All these lengths are equal. And why you made 5 points? It is based on the ratio in which you are dividing the line segment. 2:3 is the given ratio. So 2 plus 3 is 5. That is why you have made 5 points. Okay, now 2 is the first number here. So from point 2, second point, you have to draw a line segment parallel to this. So you have joined BA5 and parallel to this you made this. And for that you copied this angle. Now you can see these two angles are equal. So A2C and A5B are parallel to each other. Okay, I think it is clear. The construction is clear. Now the answer is C. C is the point which divides AB in the ratio 2:3.